Welcome to the deep dive. Ever wondered how those really polished e-commerce sites, manage to churn out endless high-quality product photos without like a whole army of photographers?
Yeah, it seems impossible sometimes.
Right. Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on something pretty fascinating in e-commerce. It's how artificial intelligence is really transforming product visuals and marketing.
And we're focusing on one specific tool for this deep dive. It's called HuHu AI.
That's right. It calls itself an AI creative partner for e-commerce.
Quite a title.
It is. And as we were looking into it, one claim really jumped out. Honestly, it had us raising an eyebrow a bit.
Oh, which one?
HuHu AI says it can help businesses convert 5x more from just a URL.
Wow. Okay, yeah, 5 times more. That's a bold statement.
It definitely is, especially in such a crowded market. Okay, so let's unpack this.
Exactly. Our mission here is to explore just how HuHu AI actually simplifies and maybe even enhances the whole process, creating that stunning product content for online stores.
It sounds like more than just a shortcut.
Oh, much more. Think of it as a strategic equalizer. Smaller brands, maybe those with tighter budgets, they've always struggled to compete with big studios, expensive photo shoots.
True. The visual gap can be huge.
Right. So HuHu AI isn't just about cutting costs. It seems to be about democratizing access to those really professional-grade visuals, which could fundamentally reshape who can really shine in e-commerce.
Okay, so let's get down to basics. What exactly is the HuHu AI agent?
How does it work?
Well, our sources describe it as a chat-based AI assistant, and it's designed to instantly generate high-converting product listing content.
Instantly is a strong word.
It is. And the ease of use seems to be a massive selling point. Like, no complex tools, no design software, just drop a URL or image, and the agent does the rest.
Okay, so it's meant to be simple. What about this chat-based part? What makes that special?
Well, that seems to tie into its role as your customized assistant.
Ah, right. And the core promise is pretty powerful. One photo, all your content.
And that ability to revamp with a URL.
Yeah, it sounds like it's built to just dramatically speed up that whole content pipeline, letting businesses test more ideas faster,
And reach more customers with optimized visuals without all the manual grind.
Exactly.
That efficiency boost sounds key. And when we talk capabilities, it sounds incredibly versatile.
Like what specifically?
It can generate on-model photos.
Right.
So products shown on actual human models or just clean product shots, crisp white backgrounds.
And that's from any kind of input.
Pretty much anything you feed it, it seems. A flat photo, a shot on a mannequin, a 3D render, even an existing lifestyle picture, it says it can transform them.
Okay, that's flexible.
And there's more. It also creates short-form product videos, specifically optimized for listings, but also for TikTok and Reels.
And those crucial social channels too.
Exactly. So, no more trying to get your cat to model your new handbag line.
Been there.
It sounds like a dream for anyone who's dealt with product shoots. And it's not just fashion apparel, shoes, accessories, home goods, lots of categories.
And this is where the automation gets really deep, I think. It's not just the visuals.
Right, you mentioned that. What else?
It auto-generates titles, tags, bullet points, even SEO copy.
Whoa, okay, so the text content too.
Yeah. And it even handles market-specific model styling and localization. So adapting the look for different regions.
That's pretty sophisticated.
And crucially, performance-aware content optimization.
What does that mean exactly?
Well, imagine the AI learning which product angles or lighting or even model expressions actually lead to more clicks and sales.
Okay.
And then it applies those insights automatically. It's like A/B testing visuals constantly at scale without you lifting a finger, making sure the content isn't just nice to look at but actually works, converts browsers to buyers.
That level of automation is, really impressive. So thinking about what this means for businesses, the sources kept mentioning this idea of removing all friction.
Right.
What does that look like practically, say, for a brand launching a new line or trying to sell internationally?
It means getting rid of those big roadblocks that usually slow everything down in e-commerce.
Like photo shoots taking weeks.
Exactly. So launching new products, new SKUs, or localizing content for different countries, or even clearing out old inventory quickly, or just testing new creative angles. HuHu AI aims to streamline that whole pipeline.
Makes sense.
And if you connect this to the bigger picture, user reviews really talk up the game-changing aspect, especially for things like enterprise virtual try-on services and its API for fashion companies.
Virtual try-on, okay. That saves.
It saves tons of time and money, is what they say.
Yeah.
Eliminating the need for those traditional photo shoots entirely sometimes.
And helps with inclusivity too, maybe.
Yeah, it supports diverse body types, petite to plus size, allows for really quick, high-quality, bulk image generation. It's fundamentally changing how brands produce visual assets at scale. Makes them more agile, more responsive.
So, boiling it all down, what does this mean for you listening, whether you're running an e-commerce business or just interested in tech trends?
What's the takeaway?
Well, it seems this tool offers unprecedented speed, efficiency, and the power to create professional-looking content, even if you don't have a background in design or photography.
Leveling the playing field again.
Exactly. It's about getting products seen faster with better visuals, which, ultimately means potentially reaching more customers and boosting those conversions.
So, in essence, HuHu AI looks like a pretty significant leap, using AI to really streamline the creative side of e-commerce.
Yeah, making sophisticated visual content way more accessible and efficient, really for businesses of all sizes.
Which brings us to a final thought. This raises a really important question, doesn't it?
Go on.
As AI like this takes on more of the creative heavy lifting in e-commerce,
Yeah.
how might this reshape things? Not just the visual landscape or how customers engage,
Good.
but maybe the very nature of product development itself and branding in the online world. Something to think about.